Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to do what to do and to fix playing videos on your laptop PC. This is Windows 11. I'm trying to play a video with the application Microsoft app Film and TV, but it's stucking or it's not playing. It's a blue, here you can see a blue fault. It's not playing, so we try again. Open with Film and TV. Okay, now it's playing, and then we try to play more videos. Now again the video stucking. I try to play, it's not playable. So all we have to do when you got this fault, we go to search and then type settings. You go to settings here. Okay, now you go to installed apps. Films and TV. This is the app that play your video. Now, as you can see here, Films and TV. You need to more option, go to more options, 3 dots, click on it, advanced options. Okay, so here we got some option. You scroll down to go to reset or repair. So first things, we try to repair. If this app isn't working correctly, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected, so repair here. Let's repair this app, Films and TV. Repairing. All right, is repaired. Now let's try to play. Is not going to other videos. Still the blue. Something wrong again. Is not playing now. Now we need to try. It's not playing. So we try now to go back to second option to reset. If this app isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. But before you do, try resetting from within the app's own settings page instead of here. That way you won't lose all your app data, but you will not lose your files on laptop, only the app's data. I not store any data, so reset. Delete app's data on this, including preference and sign-in details. Okay, reset. Don't worry, and reset it. Now the application is resetted. The video is still stucking. Cannot change any to next video. No changing option. Plain and then stucking. So all we have to do now, we need to go back to settings for third fixing step. Films and TV. Go back to advanced options, then scroll down. We did reset, repair. So now we go to third fixing step, uninstall. You can uninstall this app and its related info will be uninstalled. And then you can go to Microsoft website to install the app. Uninstall. This is third fixing step. After uninstalling Films and TV app, you go type Microsoft Store. Find Microsoft Store on your Windows 10 or 11. There you can search for Films and TV app to install it again, to be reinstalled. Here, movies and TV. It's the same app, movies and TV, or film. They called also as well Films and TV. You need to uninstall it. As I installed it already, can open it and try to play your video. So if this third fixing issue doesn't help, I suggest you fourth fixing step is to go to the video which is not playing here and right click. So you go to open with. You just go down to play with photos, but if you want to make it permanent, choose another app. All right, here you will deselect films and TV, movies and TV. You go to photos. This is best to play your videos and photos as well. Only this playing videos, but this is playing videos and showing photos. So click on photos and then always. Now the file will be opened without errors with Photos app, which is nice. I like. You can see now. Then you go to next file. They show you photos. It's not like Films and TV to just jump to videos only. And then go into videos. Very fast. You can forward, backward. Go to next one. This is for fixing issue, and I suggest you to open your files, videos or photos with Photos app on your PC, laptop. Always with Photos. Now it's default Photos always. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Take care. Bye.